So we're gonna be going to Costco today, all except Dad, who is in school right now.
No, Levi, no!
Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. We are close, can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds. We just have to believe it, that we can make the sun come out.
I'm going to be restyling my hair because it's gotten a little bit crazy over the past few days.
This town's so lame, I'm feeling so wired. It's 4 a.m., I'm not even tired. We're in your car, we can drive away. Oh yeah. We're almost there, I'm loving this feeling of something new. Just right what I needed, take me there. We can drive away. Oh yeah.
So I drove Michael to school this morning so that we can have the van. So we're gonna head to the outskirts of Dallas and go to Costco and maybe a Whole Foods. I'm just preparing supper right now so that when we get back, if it's late, I don't have to rush, I don't have to stress about it. So I'm just throwing some soup into the slow cooker and then we'll have some breakfast and hit the road.
I got $1.
I think that's George Washington.
Rebecca, look at me. Ah!
What? It's just sticking up.
Wow. Yeah, I'm not doing that. I was just like, ah! Canada.
Rebecca's getting pampered.
Why aren't you using your hair coupon?
I totally forgot about that one.
So we are going out today, and I just did Rebecca's hair. Is it weird for me to be scrubbing my shoes?
We didn't give it a name.
My what?
We tried naming it, no one could agree.
Naming what?
Do you got the soap, Levi?
If you want to name it,
Do you got the soap?
melon bananas.
You got the soap?
No, the van.
Oh no, you can keep it.
Oh yeah.
Hey,
You want to name the van Brown Bananas.
Everyone out to the van!
Garbage can to the right or the left, guys?
Me and Adri are just about to take out the garbage.
Look at the sunset.
Oh, look at the sunset. That's what she said. It's
Beautiful.
beautiful. Focus. There we go. But yeah, so we're just about to take the garbage. Hope you enjoyed today's video.
Check out the glorious sunset. My face, where'd my face go? Hey, my face! Okay, I'm cold.
Like.
We have to drive through that site.
We can drive away. Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh, I want to come back here. Honk if you love music.
Honk, Mom! We're on our way to Costco. Just do it! Just do it! That's a nice RV park. It's small, but nice.
Dragonfly Inn. Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
I love it here. It's so cute.
Do you think there's gonna be a thrift store?
Consignment boutique.
We need to come and explore all these little towns.
Yeah.
Can I marry you right away? Oh yeah. Listen to the midnight radio. Listen to the midnight radio.
Alright, we're at Costco.
Really? So how long did that take?
No idea. I think we left at 11, so an hour and a half.
Okay, maybe later.
Okay, love you. Bye.
Oh yeah, bye.
Really?
When?
Heading into Costco.
Alright. Yeah, these ones. Thank you. I'm watching this video the last few days.
What is your name, Bob?
Toby, stop being a creep. Yummy!
Do you like mushroom chips?
I
think I was in, no, I don't know.
In Florida.
Ow, shit. Hockey mushrooms.
Oh, Mom's laughing, but she doesn't want to.
Ooh, yay. I haven't had orange cheese in years.
It's kind of sweet.
Is that good? Okay, put your hand. It's yours. Some more. It's yours. Just wait.
Mom's there. Mama.
Oh.
Oh, we can get those ones.
No.
These ones are cheaper. This is what it's like when you're in a grocery store with 8 siblings.
7 siblings.
7 siblings.
7 siblings.
Hey, there's 8, including me. I was counting including
Can't
me.
even remember how many
It's
siblings.
including me.
Oh, it is good.
Yeah. He has a mohawk and nobody styled it, so I have no idea what happened.
No, I think Emily did it.
Really?
Is there any Hobby bikes?
Wait, what was the choice?
Adri.
I
bike.
think.
Ooh. Hobby bike.
You know what I see? I see an Oculus Quest over there. And so I'm gonna give a shout out to Zim Films. Go and check them out right now.
Oh, he's got his hand out for you. He's waiting for you. He's like, come on, Toby. We're at the book section. Oh, my name.
I just saw Baby Yoda. What do you mean?
Baby what now?
What did you see?
What's it called?
Baby Yoda.
Okay.
Like Baby Yoda.
Whoa, hey. Come on, buddy. Oh yeah, cool. Come on, let's go. Gotta catch up.
Oh, he wants you to have a hand.
Oh my gosh.
14, 15, 16, 17.
Oh.
How did you do that?
One, two, three.
Yay! Jesse won!
Hey, Mom.
I'm going to use a little bit to rinse these raspberries, and then you can have the rest.
Oh.
Nobody will have drank out of it.
I've been using it. The chip that I
Give that to Levi, or half of
I
that.
guess chocolate chip.
You can hold it.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, everybody's good?
Finished at Costco. Now, I think we're gonna head to a park and eat lunch.
Yep.
Why is there so many people? What is going on today?
Is it a weekend?
No idea.
Is it National Dude Perfect Day or something?
National Dude Perfect Day.
Should have gone in.
Really?
That's it, kids.
What? No way. It's closed.
No! Why is it closed?
It looks like so much fun. It looks like it's like the old playground that they had at where we had you and Rebecca's combined birthday parties. There's picnic tables over there where we can go eat. We can go for a walk at least.
So we thought that the playground was closed, but it turns out
There's a playground ahead.
there is another playground
Up ahead.
over here. So we're gonna head to that one, and hopefully there will be a bathroom for everybody.
How does it do that?
Why is it sunny?
Why is it sunny and raining?
Let me apple chips.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ah! Two people left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
You won?
You win? Get it, 5.
Good job, buddy.
You want some blueberries?
Yes, too. Everyone line up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 10. Go! Oh, dang it. You're out. No, you're out. 1, 2, 3.
I want to check it out. Bethany, you can get an entire box of them for $4 at the store.
Ice cream truck is for the handicapped parking. Hi.